to do any other drawings. I'm just going to review the book here. Yeah, I recently got this book and I haven't checked it out. I've heard the reviews are good, and as the artist, the artist of this book, Jake Spicer, and he's a good artist, and he have many other books you can get if you search. If you search the figure drawing, then let me fix the camera. Okay, okay, I think it's good. So if you go and search for the Jake Spicer books, then you'll find many other books. This is the one. It says the complete guide to a drawing the human body. So let's check out. Okay. So first, there's the contents here. Again, let me move. I think the camera is more closer. So I just want you to get the details. Okay. So that's why I got the camera more the close-up view. So here's the contents. The first is introductions. The introductions. There's the introduction about the artist and about the books and everything. Then the first content here, it's here you can see it's about the materials. Then there's learning to see, and the third one, beyond looking, and there's the representations, constructions, and then the fifth one is the constructions. Okay, so this book covers, as it said, it's a complete guide. Yeah, it definitely covers all the things about the drawing of a human body. Okay, through the anatomy to all the surfaces and everything. Okay, let's go around. I'll just go. I don't want to go page by page. So first, I'm just going to go every single few pages of few contents. Okay, the first is there's a introduction here going on. So learning about drawing, and you can go through this. Okay, and the skill of drawings, process and everything. Then okay, and here the good thing about is the artist, he has provided all the simple things that you might need. That's the simple key, the extended key. Okay, and here's the artist himself, right? And he has also written about the draw yourself from the portrait in the mirror. Okay, and exercise wing up. Now the first the content of the book is the materials. So there you go. So how do you set up everything? Okay, easel if you are doing easel on boards, and then everything here about the color. Even the sketchbook. He has the pads and sketchbook about the hardbacks, spiral bonds, which is very important. When you get started drawing, you might not know which sketchbook, which paper you might need. You know, there's if you go to the art shop, then there are lots of products over there, and you the first thing you get is like you get the first thing you get confused, and then that confusion can get back, pull you back of doing the drawings. So you should clear what you need before going to the art shop. So these are the things. This is very important, and why I recommend getting a book like this is this is the 100% written and suggested by the artist. It's not that what you find in the YouTube or in the Google or something. You can find it there too, but this is the 100% thing. You get it from the artist, what the artist is suggesting you to do. Okay, so here's the even he has mentioned about the graphite, the graphite pencils, mechanical pencils, solid graphites, charcoals. Okay, so this is very important that you go all before you going all the way back in other pages and look at the drawings and just going through and start drawing. This is what is all. Even in my other book reviews, I've always said that the materials that artists have suggested is very important for you guys. Okay? And here is about the ink, the media of ink. Okay, and the process. Even there he has mentioned about the ball pen, fine liners, and modern traditional and carbon ink. Okay, we can go through this and we can understand what's that, and about the pastels, color pencil. Okay, and everything. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all the things here. So let's go with the learning to see. This is the same second. I think it's the second content of the book. So learning to see means looking to draw, drawing to look, etc. So this is what you see. This is what you see and what you draw. That's the main important thing that this book is teaching you. Okay, how to visualize or how to see your object and draw it on your canvas or your paper. Okay, and even the marking. How do you mark? How do you take the measurement with your pencil? Okay, if you got a pencil and you are just trying to focus on something, then how do you try to measure the thing? Okay, your face, body, yeah, exactly. You can go through all this thing in by the book, and then if you need the practical, then you can go to some online lessons that you can get from. There are lots of other good like if you are going for the basic and general thing, then you can go with the Skillshare, okay, Skillshare, and you can take some of the exercise lessons from there. Okay. So yeah, there he's been showing all the details. That's what this book just impressed me. Okay, impressed me. And if you guys be saying that why you need a book if you are already know how to draw, or you might be asking these questions, right? Why I need a book? Of course, I I do drawing lots of drawings and do the thing. I do love getting a new books by the new artist or other artists, you know? So I can know different techniques from different artists. So that's why I love. I have other books too, but you know, getting a new book and learning through the different artists is always something you can get. Okay, so it's not like you get one book and you can get a variety of books by different artists. Okay, so that's the main thing you need to know about why getting books. Okay. Okay, so here's some exercises about the cross hatching things. I think it's cross hatching and everything. Okay, about the tones, tonal shapes and edges. Okay, this is very good book. Okay, so there's about light and shadows. This one I have already talked about. This one you can check out on one of my videos. Okay, and then yeah, there's hatching out. This is the hatching method. This is very important. So you cannot get this kind of thing in other internet or how you try to find. Okay, so this is very important. How about the cross hatching when you're using a pencil, a graphite, charcoal, markers, or anything else. Okay, this is very important. This is the exercise you need to do. You know, this is the exercise. I highly recommend if you are still watching this video till now and you are in this time, then I suggest you to do this cross hatching practice always. Okay. Then here's a glowing light and everything. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then the beyond looking. This must be the third one. Beyond looking. Okay. He must be talking about the gesture drawing, gesture drawing. Yeah. Line of action. This is the very important. So if you are into drawing a human anatomy, human body, and everything, this thing is very important. Line of action. Okay, just to draw line of action. So I can go more detail in this line of action. I can make another video, or if you want, then yeah, I definitely recommend to check out a channel called Proco.com. They are very professional. They have and they also provide some good online lessons for drawings. Okay, Proco.com. I'll put the link down below. And the second one is obviously the Skillshare. Skillshare is more commercialized, and there you can find lots of artists going on. Like from medium beginners. Then you can see the beginners artists too, and you'll be confused that which of the lessons you should take. So. It's okay if you are a beginner and you are looking for some cheap, the subscription, not expensive subscription. But if you go to the Proco.com, and it might, they might take, it's a little bit expensive, I think. Okay, so let's check that. You can check it out there. Okay. So yeah, the line of action is very important. The movement here, doing exercises. Okay. Right. There's another exercise. Wow, this is very important. This one is also a good exercise. Okay. This is very good exercise. Right? Yeah. This is. Let me go on. Yeah, this one. You're making a bean. Okay. The body. Body is like a like a kidney bean. It looks like a kidney bean. Yeah. This is also one of the good thing, important thing. Okay. So lots of good things is going on. It's definitely like it's a full package of a course book, you know. So definitely gonna. So let me go through. Okay. And there's exercise. This is all the exercise at the back. Now I'm going for the construction. This is the last thing. I don't want to make a longer video and just go through all the pages. You know? Definitely, people might say that I show everything, one page by page, but that's not the way we do. If you want to do or you want to get everything from this book, you got to go and buy it. Okay, I'm going to put the link down below, the Amazon link. You can get it. I think you can, even if you're looking, you can get some used books, say, in a lower price. So you don't need to get pay for more. You can just get the good used books. Sometimes I do that when I buy books, and I just try to, if it's good condition, why not, right? So even if you're in the States, there's always you can go to the half price book, so you can get lots of books in a good price. Okay, so in the construction, it's all talking about the bones and the muscles and everything. So this is also the very important thing to do. Okay. So this is all. There's lots of. This is not all, but I mean to say there's lots of things you can get from this book. I really like this book. I was not hoping to get this much thing from the book. This is, you can see it's how big how big is this book, right? So it's about 289 pages. Okay, here's the artist here, and yeah, there's other books also. This one I don't have this one, but I've got to. I have checked out this the ink, and it's a good book. This one also I recommend if you want that. Okay, this one is a good book. Okay, so here we go. So definitely, I think it's a how old. Let me see how when this published. It's very important to see that. I think it's new. No. See in the back. Published. We haven't written the published. Yes, I think it's. Let me check. When was it? It's 2021. Okay, it's not that old. It's about 3 years old. 4 years. Sorry, 3 years. So that doesn't mean it's a old book. It's a good one, and definitely I don't think it's gonna cost 35. I think it's gonna cost more or less. Okay, now. Okay, definitely check this book out. Okay, don't forget it. If you are looking for the good book, I recommend this one. So hope you like this book review, and please, if you haven't subscribed, as always, do subscribe, and please like this video, and I'll be making more if more videos, and do comment if you have any questions. Please, if you're watching this video, then please do comment. Okay, it's good, bad, everything. Okay, I just want to tell you, everyone, to give a comment. Okay, just even a thumbs up or smiley or anything, that will work for me. Okay, thank you for being here. I definitely see you. I will definitely see you guys next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care. Have a wonderful day.